Good morning, my lovely students. I am your science teacher. Welcome to our back science online classes. So, students, in last video we were discussed about the recapitulation for unit test 2, in which of them we have seen a patterns of question which is related to the chapter 3rd, 4th and 5th. What type of pattern we have seen? We have seen fill in the blanks. Okay students, but this is the time for the second recapitulation, the second of the recapitulation of the different pattern, and on that pattern today we will discuss about the given statements true or false. Okay students, the given statements whether true or false we will discuss today in this videos. But students, in spite of I recommend you once again recap you that if anybody has a problem to the demonstration of subjective types of question, please you can ask me. Okay, how you have to appear in the paper, how I have to write in the paper, it means answer sheet, you know very well that no need to copy the question. If it required anything, then required question number and complete answer. Okay, and second thing is that while or whenever you are doing your paper, please mention your name, class, roll number, these all things. This all information, it's a mandatory before submission of paper to put every details in the answer sheet. Otherwise, evaluation work will not be done. So come to the next point. Come to the topic. That topic is that state whether the following statements are true or false. Students, I let you know this is the second pattern questions, second type of questions which is true or false may be asked in the examination, which we are going to discuss right now. And this is the chapter 3rd. First we will discuss about chapter 3rd. See the question: a mixture of sugar and water. A mixture of sugar and water can be separated by hand picking. See, do you know hand picking? A method I have taught while the chapter was going on. What is hand picking? By the using of hand, you can separate two different types of substance. Okay, that is hand picking. But now the question is that a mixture of sugar and water, would it be possible to separate out all sugars from the water which is sink in the water, which is dissolved in the water? Do you like that? Do you think that it will be separated by the hand picking? No. It means the given sentence is false. This given sentence is false. So students, the next question: sieving is a method used for separating components. It's till here it's okay, because sieving is also a process by which we separate out two different types of substance. So of a mixture which are different sizes. Now sieving is called, we can separate two different substance which is in different sizes. Yes, definitely. It is true. Sieving is used for separation of two different types of substance. See students, question number 3rd. During the process of sedimentation, lighter particles settle down forming sediments. See, would it be possible to lighter substance they settle down in the beaker, in the liquid? Would it be possible? No. It means we can say that this sentence is completely wrong. See the question number 4. Filtration is a method used for preparing paneer. Filtration is a method which is used for preparing paneer. Which types of method we use for the preparation of paneer? Filtration. Very good. Exactly. This answer is true. See the students. Question next. A liquid can be converted into its vapor form. Exactly. It can be converted by the process of decantation. No. Filtration. No. It means this sentence is completely wrong. Very good students. Now we will discuss for the chapter number second. It is chapter number 4. See students, question is given here. It is chapter number 4. This question says cotton is obtained from sheep. Students, is it true or false? I think you all are smart one and you can say very easily. Can we obtain cotton from sheep? No. This sentence is completely false. Cotton is obtained from plants. Am I right? See, fibers are twisted together. Fibers are twisted together to form yarn. Is this sentence is true? Exactly, it is true. Fibers are twisted to form yarn. See the question number 3. Cotton yarn is pressed tightly and tied up into bells. Cotton yarn is pressed tightly and tied up into bells. Is the sentence is right? Yes, it is right. If it could not press tightly, it means that fibers, that yarn will not mend. So it pressed tightly and tied into bells so that these fibers may be straight. See, question number 4. Fibers are separated from the seeds by combing. Fibers are separated from the seeds by combing. It's also true. This statement is also true. See the question number next. Jute grows best in warm and humid weather. Yes, exactly. Jute grows best in warm and humid weather. Students, now the question number 6. Charkha is used for weaving. Charkha is used for weaving. Do you like? It is true? No. It is not used for weaving. Okay, students. See, a piece of fabric is made by weaving of yarn. Yes, exactly. By weaving of yarn, we make a piece of fabric. Yes, it is true. See the question number next. Silk is a natural fiber. Silk is a natural fiber. We know very well. As it is obtained from the stem of a plant. But a stem can you collect from plant? No, it is completely false. It obtained from silkworm, which is a type of animal. So, students, we have completed the chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. So, rest in chapter number 5 we will discuss. So, see students, in chapter number 5, true false is there. So, number first, plants and animals both are made of cells and have no dissimilarity. Students, I am asking, do you think like that? Plants and animals both are made of cells. It is okay. But have no dissimilarity? Do you think like that? No. It means this is false. This statement is completely false. Okay, students? See the question number 2. Vinegar is soluble in water. Vinegar is soluble in water and chalk is insoluble in water. Yes, it is true. Chalk is insoluble, vinegar is soluble. See students, question number next. Aluminium is transparent and glass is opaque. Do you think like that? Would it be possible? Glass is opaque? Possible. But aluminium is transparent. It is possible? No. It means it is false. See, next question number. Oil is denser than water if maybe if oil may be denser than water, then why make a surface, make a layer above than water? It means this sentence is also completely wrong. Okay, students. See the question number 5. Cotton is a soft material. Exactly. Cotton is a soft material. It is true. See the question number next. A notebook signs while an eraser does not. A notebook signs while an eraser does not. You do practical item. Then you consider a statement is false. A statement is false. See, all plastics and stones are transparent. It's completely false. Plastics may be, but stones not possible. So question number 8. Wood being less dense than water. Wood being less dense than water floats over water. Exactly. It is true. Okay, students. So we have seen the second pattern of the questions. In this video, we have seen chapter 3rd, 4th, and 5th, all true and false. The rest of all, we will see in the next video. Till that, keep revising, do practice at your home. You know how to write in your answer sets, and that's all. Thank you.